检查控制板与压缩机的连接 ，check the connection between the control board and the compressor。拔开接线盖，检查接线柱和接线端 ，remove the wiring cover and inspect the terminal posts and terminals。将万用表打到交流档 ，switch the multimeter to AC。测量接线板上 L 和 N 两个端子电压 ，measure the voltage of terminals L and N on the terminal board。查看是否在额定电压10%范围内 ，check whether it is within the range of rated voltage 10%。拔下接线端 ，unplug the terminal。检查压缩机线 ，checking compressor cables。这是 UVW 3个端子 ，These are the 3 terminals of UVW。用万用表电阻档检测压缩机 U 电阻值 ，use a multimeter to check the UV resistance of the compressor。检查是否大于500兆欧 ，check whether it is greater than 500 mg。接上压力表 ，connecting pressure gauge。查看左边低压表，判断系统压力是否过高 ，check the left low pressure gauge to see if the system pressure is too high。最后检查内外机 ，finally check the internal and external machine。